Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing Gen AI companies, dedicated to being the most creator-friendly platform. Today, we're diving into Nano Banana Pro, the new pro-grade AI image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. Built for control, clarity, and structure, it delivers photorealistic, production-ready 4K images faster than ever before. The industry hasn't seen this level of precision before. Nano Banana Pro automatically fixes anatomical errors, composition flaws, and text rendering before the image reaches your screen. Now, all of this is possible in stunning 4K quality. Nano Banana Pro is intelligent image generation with built-in world knowledge. Trained on massive, diverse datasets, it nails celebrities, landmarks, and real city streets on the first try. That means less time wrestling with prompts and more time shipping your projects. No more broken text. No more off-model faces. No more wasted generations. For those who subscribe through Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year. The link is available in the video description. This is an unlimited 4K AI generator, and you can find the link in the description below. It's powered by the Gemini 3.0 reasoning engine, which is incredibly fast and accurate. With it, you can create photorealistic 4K visuals that perfectly match your prompts, and the generation speed is really impressive. You can enter your own prompt to tell the AI exactly what you want to see. You can upload up to 8 images. These images can be used as reference, and the AI will combine them into your scene. You can choose the AI model, depending on the style or effect you want. You can select the aspect ratio, like square, portrait, or widescreen, depending on where you want to use your image or video. You can choose the quality, 1K, 2K, or full 4K for the best results. Now, I'm going to show you something really fun and super impressive. I'm going to upload 4 photos: a hat, a perfume, a person, and a beach. Once these are uploaded, I'll give it a detailed prompt. A man standing confidently on the beach, wearing a hat. Perfume bottle displayed at waist level. Next, I'll select the aspect ratio, and for the best quality, I'll choose 4K resolution. Once everything is set, I simply hit generate. And now we wait for just a few seconds. And here we go. Just look at that. The result is absolutely outstanding. The man is standing confidently, wearing the hat perfectly, and holding the perfume bottle exactly where we wanted it. The details are crisp, the lighting is realistic, and the overall image quality is superb. This is exactly why Nano Banana Pro is so powerful. If you want, you can download it immediately. But there's so much more you can do. If you click Edit, you can draw to make changes, add elements, or adjust the image however you like. You can also upscale it for even higher resolution, add product placement in Paint or multi-reference mode, and literally animate any picture. On top of that, you can add speech effects, included in UGC projects, or draw it directly into a video. The possibilities are basically endless. Now, let's try animating this image. I'll click Animate Video, give it a detailed prompt for motion, choose the model, set the duration and resolution, then hit Generate. Just wait a few seconds, and there it is. How cool is that? The photo is now animated. The movement is smooth, and it looks absolutely amazing. Nano Banana Pro makes it so easy to take a static image and turn it into something dynamic and lively. Let's move on to another example because there's so much to show. Nano Banana Pro is really superb. I'll upload a girl's photo, and this time I'll type the prompt. Make an online shop page for this. Then I choose the aspect ratio, hit Generate, and wait a few seconds. And just like that, Nano Banana Pro creates a beautiful, fully functional shop page. It includes total price, add to cart, buy now buttons, customer reviews, and even related products. Everything is automatically matched and looks professional. You literally don't need to do a single thing. The AI handles it all. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create online store visuals in seconds. You can experiment with different prompts and different photos to test out what Nano Banana Pro can do. The flexibility is incredible, and it really gives you the freedom to get creative. Let's try another example. I'll upload another girl's photo, and this time I'll give the prompt. Make her the Sims character. Currently editing in Create a Sim in Sims 4. Choose the aspect ratio. I hit Generate. Wait a few seconds. And there it is. The Sims character is fully created, looking fantastic, with all the details captured perfectly. It's really impressive how easy it is to transform a real photo into a game-ready character. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro is extremely versatile. You can create photorealistic 4K images, merge multiple photos, animate them, generate online shop pages, and even create game characters. The interface is clean, the generation speed is fast, and the results are superb every single time. The link is available in the description below, so you absolutely must check it out. Whether you're creating content for social media, making product visuals, or just having fun experimenting with AI, Nano Banana Pro is the perfect tool. For those who subscribe through Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 full year, giving creators, artists, and marketers the freedom to generate as many high-quality 4K images and animations as they want. This is an incredible opportunity to explore the full potential of Higgsfield AI without any limitations. Additionally, if you take a look at the comparison graphic, you'll see that Higgsfield currently offers the lowest prices on the market, making it not only one of the most powerful AI image generators available, but also one of the most cost-effective options for creators in 2025. Thanks for watching.